Hi, I'm Justine, the content writer here at DirectLync, and today I'm going to break down 7 simple steps on how to write a killer blog post. So now blogging is getting more and more popular. Every business should be investing time into doing it, especially small businesses. So did you know that websites with blogs have 434% more index pages and 97% more inbound links? So I know you may be thinking, I don't know what that is, Justine, but now I'm going to get into why that's important. So what is blogging? Blogging is an outline journal or informational website displaying information on the reverse chronological order, with the latest posts appearing first. So as a small business, blogging is a way to become a thought leader in your industry. So blogging is a great way to share your ideas, your experiences, company updates, inspirational content, and it helps you build SEO. So that's one of the primary purposes, ranking higher in Google search. The higher you are on a search page for a search query, it shows that you have more credibility and knowledge in your industry. So before we dive into 7 steps of creating a blog post, I want to share that every blogger creates a blog differently. And these are the 7 steps that I take when I write blogs here at DirectLync. So the first step is research. Figuring out what your audience is Googling is really important when it comes to writing a blog, because then you're not just writing a blog about nothing or something that's not important to your audience. You're writing about what they want to know and what they want to learn. So I recommend doing some social listening, whether it's on Reddit, Quora, or Google. Find out what topics are trending in your industry and what your audience is asking and what they need answered. So this research step is really critical to creating your blog, so spend time in figuring out how you can help your audience. The second step is determine your keywords. Keywords are so important, whether it's using them to create content in your blog or just getting recognition on Google. I recommend using Google Ads keyword discovery tool. It helps you find keywords that are relevant to your topic for your blog. So you can enter in your topic, and it tells you how many people have searched for that and other keywords around that topic that people are searching for, and helps you narrow down which ones you should use for your blog. The third one is create an outline. So I promise I won't be a lecture about how you should use an outline like probably your high school teacher did, but the benefits of using an outline are very helpful. It helps you create a basis to what your blog should look like. So the outline should be a brief, bulleted look at what your blog should include. So first, write down your titles and your headlines. These should be what people are searching for. So if your title is best products you should use for curly hair, a section within your blog could be the best shampoos to use for curly hair. Then next, under your headlines, write content that should be added for each. So these are bulleted points or ideas, examples, anything that comes to mind about what should go under that section. The fourth one is write it out. So it's time to get typing or writing, whatever you want to do. But all of your content ideas are already written down, so now it's just time for you to fill in the blanks. Make your bullet points into sentences. It's time for you to expand your thoughts and answer the questions that your headlines may be posing. Don't do this all at once, so take your time. The more time you spend between each draft, the more ideas and content you can come up with. One question we hear a lot when people are writing blogs is, how long should a blog be? An optimal length for a blog is between 2,000 words and 2,500 words. So the more time you spend writing it in different periods, the more content you're going to get out, and you'll be able to reach that word limit. The fifth one is to include add-ins. So add-ins can be different pieces of content, from images to CTAs to a comment section in your blog. So you should include many images in your blog. So whether it's an image of a person or an image of statistics, we recommend that you have an image within every scroll of your blog. Include CTAs in your blog as well. Whether the CTA is driving people to your website to register for a webinar or even to subscribe to your newsletter, CTAs help keep your readers engaged. And lastly, a comment section. It gives your readers a voice, so it allows your readers to write about the blog, their experience, examples, or even give critical feedback. And that feedback can help you later on as well. The sixth one is to edit and finalize your blog. So you're so close to the finish line, it's just time to edit and touch up your blog. I recommend using Grammarly. Grammarly is a free writing app, and it helps you eliminate all errors from your blog. I also recommend giving it to a coworker. A second set of eyes on your blog is going to be so helpful. Lastly, don't forget to backlink to your blog. That means to include external links to your site. So whether that's connecting other blogs or your services, it's going to help Google also recognize your site for search queries. Seventh and the last step is to promote your blog. This is something bloggers forget to do often, and you spend so much time writing this amazing blog, but you forget to promote it, so not a lot of people see it. I recommend following the 80-20 rule. This rule is to spend 20% of your time writing the blog and 80% of your time promoting it. You don't want to miss out on any high traffic opportunities when you don't promote your blog. So start blogging today. Writing a blog doesn't need to be overwhelming with these 7 simple steps. So start writing your blogs and don't forget to promote them. Don't forget to be unique and to create your own style in your blog. That's what's going to get your readers to keep coming back for more. Check out the details on how to write a blog post down in our description below, and feel free to reach out with any questions. We're here to help you. Bye.